Hey guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the unboxing of the Ipsy bag. I'm taking it out of the package that it came in the mail. I got this about a week ago, maybe a little bit more than a week. To be honest, you guys, I'm not really excited about this Ipsy bag. Like, I got the sneak peek preview, whatever, of what was coming in the Ipsy bag, and there's nothing in this bag this month that I'm really excited for. I'm kind of disappointed with Ipsy, considering I've signed up with BoxyCharm, and I've done BoxyCharm twice. Ipsy just kind of seems lackluster. It's just, the bags are really cute, and I love that you get a different one each month, whereas the BoxyCharm is just like a standard cardboard box you get with Boxy on it. But the Ipsy bags are really cute, the bags are adorable, but the products inside this month just weren't that good, so I don't know, but let's just see what I got. So it starts off with the little card that says Create Ipsy, and this is the month where they decided that they're going to send you guys markers inside. Let me see if I can find them. Markers inside so you can color and create your bag and style it however you wanted, which is kind of neat, but I mean, like, they sent markers. This is a makeup bag, but all right. So we got markers. The first thing that I see in the Ipsy bag is this foaming cleanser. So I've used cleansers like this before, and I find that they are, because I have dry to normal skin, I find that they are very drying on my skin. I do have some blemishes. I don't have any makeup on my face right now just because I wanted to maybe try some of this on, but there's nothing really in the bag that I can really try on this month, so oh well. The foaming cleanser, it is very, very drying for my skin, and like, you know how you're not supposed to use bar soap on your face, but some people do it anyway, and it gives you like that really, really clean feeling, but it also feels like your skin is like the desert. That's exactly what these cleansers do for me. So it is just a sample size, so that's fine, but it's just a cleanser. But the one thing that I will note about this, that is that the smell of jasmine, for me, this smells like wet dog. It smells like when my dog runs through a puddle and I bring him home and my whole house smells like dog. It smells like wet dog. So I don't really like the smell of this at all. So, but if you like the smell of jasmine, you might like that. I personally just don't think that smells very good. The next thing that's in my Ipsy bag is this sparkly brush. And this goes pretty good with the rest of the stuff that I have purchased already. I have a lot of pink things. Like, I have my hairbrush is bright pink. Most of my brushes are pink. My Morphe brushes, the ends are blue, but the top are pink. Like, I have my mermaid brushes. I really like pink brushes. So this is an awesome little add-on to my collection, but I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to keep it because I just don't know if I need another brush like this at the moment. So I might give this away to a friend or family, but that's nice that they sent out a brush. This is a full-sized item, where again, this is just a sample size. And since that is a full-sized item, I will link the total price down below if you guys are interested in shopping on the Ipsy website. But the next item in here is Sex Kitten, and it is by the brand Tarte. So it looks like that. It's just a little sample eyeliner, and it's not anything too crazy. It's just a little sample size. It's another black eyeliner. I've gotten 3 black eyeliners now from Ipsy, so I'm contemplating just taking eyeliner completely off of my personal shopping bag, just because it just kind of seems like they kind of put like throwaway items inside Ipsy bags just to fill it. Like, I've gotten 3 eyeliners in the 3 months that I've been with Ipsy, and all 3 of them have been black, when in my personal Ipsy bag I have selected that I want radical, colorful colors, and I'm always getting black. This is just a sample size, again, so it's not a full-size item, but Tarte is a really good company, so that's really cool that they sent this out to us, but again, I don't really need another black eyeliner. And the last thing that's in the Ipsy bag this month is Freematic eyeshadow by the company Deuce. I'm really disappointed with this one. I saw on the Ipsy website in my personal Ipsy bag that there was 2 colors. There was the Lola and Ariana, and this is the color Ariana. You can either get Lola, which was this really, really pretty purple shimmery color, or Ariana, which is a brown. And I didn't realize that it had said Lola or Ariana, and it had both pictures listed, but the purple one was the picture that they put on the first time. So this was really the only thing that I was excited for in the bag, and I didn't even get the color that I thought I was going to get. I that the brown one, which I already have brown eyes. I don't really want a brown eyeshadow. I kind of wanted the purple. Well, because my eyes are hazel, so like purples really bring out the green that is in my eyes, and browns, I have so many brown eyeshadows, I didn't really need another one. And it is, again, just a sample. So it looks like this. Just comes in a little sample size. And let's put it on and see if it looks nice. Just getting quite a bit of color, so it looks like that. Just like a simple chocolate brown color. Putting it on my hand. And it looks like that. So it is a nice color. It's just a brown. It would be like more for a outer corner color, or maybe if you wanted to do like a brown look, I guess you could do it as a crease color too, maybe even a lid color. It is very creamy, so that's nice. I did have to swirl quite a bit, my finger in there quite a bit to get this kind of a swatch, because I know with this brand, with other people that I've talked to online, have said that it's very patchy, the color payoff is really poor, the pigments aren't that great. So I was like, oh no, I hope this is worth it. But the color is really pretty. It does go on nicely, and it's very, very creamy, so that's alright. I just wish I had gotten the purple color, just because, but whatever. It did say Lola or Ariana, and this just happens to be Ariana. So that's everything that I got in my Ipsy bag this month. If you guys can't tell by this video, I'm very disappointed with Ipsy. This bag this month just really wasn't doing it for me. Like, I like the bag. I think the bag is really cute, but the products inside just, I don't know. It just wasn't great. Like, the other Ipsy bags that I've gotten in the past have been really, really awesome, and I've liked almost everything that's inside it. Whereas this, it's just like, the only thing that's full-sized in this bag this month is the brush, and it seems to be sending out quite a few brushes in the last couple of bags, so it's like this is the only item that's full size, where everything else is sample size. And I don't know, that's just a little bit disappointing to me, because I don't just want sample size, which fair enough, I'm with Ipsy, and Ipsy just usually sends out samples, whereas if you want full size you go for boxy, which I have done. But it's just like, I don't really see what the point is anymore with staying with Ipsy if they're just going to send samples. If the majority of my bag is going to be sample sizes, I don't know if I really want that. So I might just stop doing Ipsy, but haven't decided yet. I'm going to wait and see what the next bag looks like, and if they do send me another eyeliner, so help me God, I might have an aneurysm. But yeah, so that was everything that was in my Ipsy bag this month. The bag is really cute. The brush is really cute. The eyeshadow it's pretty nice, but I had wished I had gotten the other color that was listed. And the face wash is just a cleanser that is going to make my skin way too dry. So at least it's not full size, because then I probably would have to give it away or use it. At least sample size I can just do whatever with, maybe just give it to somebody. So that was everything that was in my Ipsy bag this month. So if you guys do like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content like this. I hope in the future the Ipsy bags start to get a little bit better, just because right now I'm disappointed with this month. Like, I know I can't expect myself to be happy with every single month that I get at Ipsy, so maybe I'm just not in a good mood today. I don't know. But I don't know. I wish I had gotten different colors, like different color eyeliner, different color eyeshadow, not just blacks and browns, because it's boring, and I don't really want boring. I go for colorful and radical colors, and I don't really do brown eye looks very often, and I have enough eyeliners now to last me probably through the entire year, so I don't really want any more. Oh well. So I don't know how I got through this entire video and went through my entire bag without realizing that this was actually still in it. I realized that after, once I was going through the bag again, looking at the products and being like, hey, who can I give this to, blah, 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 all of a sudden, this appeared. And this was on my Ipsy app. So, I believe, I think, maybe I'm just recording for no fucking reason right now. Let's just check my Ipsy app. Loading. 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 Yeah, it's the very first item. All right, so this is the Dirty Little Secrets highlighter. It retails for $14. It is a full-sized item. So I did get 2 items. Sorry, my nose is really itchy for some reason right now. I did get 2 full-size items in this bag when I only thought I got one. So that's pretty neat. This is what it looks like. It's this pink rose, well, kind of rose color. It's a little more light than rose. Rose is more like a darker pink. But let's just take some off. Looks like that. So put it on my skin. It is pretty reflective. Let's see, I don't have any makeup on, so this may just not work at all, but I'm just going to use my finger because the brush that they gave us in this Ipsy bag, I am going to give away. So I don't want to use it. Leave in the packaging. Yeah, so you can see it. It's highlighted. It is pretty pink though. I kind of go for more of yellowy, champagne-y gold colors. I don't really go for the pink, so, but I'll keep it. It's a cute little highlighter. If I don't want to reach for it in the future, maybe I'll give it to somebody, one of my friends, one of my families. I'm sure they won't care if my germs are on it. So yeah, just wanted to say that I also got this in my bag. This is the Dirty Little Secrets highlighter. Retails for 14 bucks. So this bag wasn't a complete waste. There was 2 full-size items in it and markers and some samples. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys had a better experience with Ipsy this month than I did. If you guys got the same items as me, please list it down below and tell me what you guys got. If you guys like this bag, if you hated this bag, give me your honest opinion. Also, if you guys got different things, tell me what you guys got. Tell me what I'm missing out on, because I really wish I had gotten other items this month. Just for a lot of people, this month seemed very boring. So it is what it is, but thanks for watching, guys. Bye!